Today's video will show you how to create circular crop with Stork on CapCut PC. Bring your footage to timeline. Go to Video Mask option and select Circle Mask. Position and adjust Circle Mask over the area you want to crop. Select Clip again and go to Video Basic. Scroll down and check the Canvas option. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Color for Border. Right-click on the clip and select Create Compound Clip. This step is necessary to apply circular crop effect with the Stork. Go back to Video Mask and select Circle Mask again. Left-click and drag one corners to adjust border width as desired. Move the clip to second layer. Give it background if needed. You can freely position and scale crop footage with circular board.